Today I'll give you a good news. Yes guys, Amazon launches new openings in their complex in India and USA. So if you are looking new openings, new job openings, just be with me in this video. Today I'll let you know some new openings in Amazon. Yes. So let's begin. This we open our Google. Then what we do? We just go on Amazon. Fine. First of all, we are going on Amazon India. So here it is. This is Amazon India. What you need to do, just go at the bottom and just click career. You just see career here, just click career. Fine. So here you see now hiring full and part-time fulfillment and delivery position in the US. Discover roles. So if you are looking in United States, just click here. I'll tell you, I open up in new tab. See this. You earn $15 an hour or more. You just select any location. Suppose I select New Jersey and explore jobs. So you see there are 12 jobs found in New Jersey. Delivery warehouse team member, part-time warehouse team member, warehouse team member, warehouse team members, warehouse team member. So and the location also mentioned. You just need to click house. Suppose you are looking for this job, you just need to click here. Just what it will be night shift job, it will be full-time job, shift is mentioned there, location is mentioned there, and they just mention full-fledged JD and the rate as well as you will also earn bonus here. So you just go through this link and just find out the whole JD. Then if you interested for other jobs, just go back and just see here part-time jobs are also available there. I believe you see delivery warehouse team member. If you are interested for other place, just what you do, just click back and just see other location. Whole US jobs are here. If you looking for Colorado, just click here. There are 4 jobs mentioned: warehouse team member, Aurora. So if you find anyone relevant, just click here and find the whole job description. If you have any doubt, guys, just comment me. Okay, don't hesitate that any doubt related salary, related rate, related job description, related any particular skill, related hours per week, any doubt related company, job ID is also mentioned there, location, city is also mentioned there. Fine. So I believe you are comfortable with this. And if you are in India or looking jobs in India, what you need to do, just go here. Just first of all, you need to open Amazon in India website. This Amazon India. Just go here and just click bottom career. Here you find. See, so from here you get US jobs, and from here if you find anywhere in India, suppose in Noida is a place in India. Noida, if you find, then just put Noida and you find, see 40 jobs. And if you find most relevant, then put most relevant. If you find the recent one, just click most recent. You find July 1st, just 3 days ago it's updated, seller support associate in Delhi. If you click here, you find out the whole job description. See, basic qualification, that this job is also available for fresher as well as it's a 24/7 environment, 5-day week, 2 consecutive day offs. So they mention all the details. Qualification also there, preferred qualification also there. You directly apply through this apply now. Fine. You can also share these jobs through this Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter if you want. Similar, if you look for other job like for support engineer that posted on 30th of June, QAT1, If you see what is QAT1, you don't know what is Q, just click here. That you see. Indian global selling team enables cross-border commerce in India. Our team support Indian seller to sell global and international seller to list products in India. What they basically looking at least 1 year relevant in large scale online technical operations environment. See, so there they mention all the things. They are looking Python here. They are looking experience on data structure algorithm here. Fine, written and verbal communication skills there. So they mention all the things. So you just like go here and find your relevant job. Just back. Just see there are many jobs: solution architect, software development engineers, specialist solution architect, software development engineer, support engineer. Fine. So for each location, if you find some other location, you just see. Suppose if you are looking based at Bangalore, if you are looking for Bangalore, you can also search Bangalore here. Okay. And if you are like based in some other country where Amazon is present, you also search here. Like suppose in Bangkok, Thailand, we just search anything for Bangkok. Sorry, right now we don't have any jobs in Bangkok, so you just search in India and USA. So this is for India and this is for USA, guys. Here you put location and explore jobs. Fine, 7 jobs found here in this location. Warehouse team member, the city is mentioned there. Just click here and go there. So I hope guys you like this information, and if you have any doubt, any question, any query, just comment me or email me. I put all the things in description. I also put URL of this website in description. Okay guys, so guys, I hope you like my today video. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe Solver for you. And for more these type of videos, just click I button on which I already posted my last videos. If you have any question, query, then comment me or email me. I share my email ID on my description box. Thank you so much.
Thank you.